Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate a little bit step by step. This is the tie tape that I'm using. It's just a nylon tie tape used for harnesses and tying wires together and stuff like that. And this is just some of that DEI protective sleeve. Okay, it's like a sleeve. They call it a sleeve. Has like a little metal ring on the end. So when we put it together, we want that end, it's going to meet the end of this like that, and then I'm going to roll it over the edge. So when it's all together, I can pull it up like that over the edge of this metal so that it sits there like this. And then I'm going to put a little tie right here, and part of this is showing how to do this tie, because this is something I learned many years ago. I used to work for an oil company, and we built harnesses and downhole tools and stuff, and this kind of tie knot worked really good for holding these wires together. I'm going to do another one. You want it to go through there like that, and that's how it sets. This type of knot works really good on this type of application. Alright, so I want it to fit into that groove right here. Fit right into that groove. And this type of tie tape string, it'll hold itself right there. I'll put a double knot on top of it. Now this is just how I like to do it. This doesn't have a lot of structural application to it. Like if you grab this boot and tried to pull on it real hard, it'd probably come off eventually if you pulled it. So I got some Klein scissors. Just kind of pull it off, and then you got a little end left over. That's about it. Alright, so let's go over this knot a little better. So we have another spot here a little farther up. That's about where we're at with that, okay? And so I'm going to tie another one over here closer to the end of this rubber boot, and that will help a little bit in a structural sense if you're trying to pull on this and you don't want the whole thing to come apart, because they get stuck on there pretty good. So I'm going to go over this a little slower than I did last time so that somebody could get a better idea. Maybe I should zoom in a little bit. Alright, so you're going to go over like that, like this, cross over the top, and hold that part up with your finger. You can hold it with your fingers. You're going to go around again and through that hole, let it all lay down just like that. There you go. That's how you want it. And this stuff is really cool because when you tighten it down, it holds down on itself. It's kind of nice. I use this on most of the wire repairs that I do on vehicles. Even though zip straps are really cool, and I like zip straps too, this stuff here is nice. It'll put just a little bit of tension on something, but not too much. You just pull a little, give it a little tension like that, because these scissors work good, but that stuff is tricky to cut. So I hope this helps someone. Please subscribe if you have any comments or questions, or if you need more videos and demo on this, please comment and let me know. Alright? Y'all have a good day.